Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to extension one software trial period in virtual machine. I use Schneider PLC software EcoStruxure Control Expert to try this. EcoStruxure Control Expert 15.2 is have 30 die try. Look. Here is the trial license will be expiring in 14 days. So after 14 days, you can't use this software. Now, I could refresh is 30 day trial. Let's start. First, we close this virtual machine software. Okay. Okay, we go to Windows C, then go to the user, go to the my name, Louis folder, then find in here VirtualBox. In here, I install this EcoStruxure Control Expert 15.2 in the Windows Service 2022. Okay, now before I install this software, I copy the virtual machine copy. This Windows Service 2022 we cut. In here, replace, paste, replace. Okay, that's it. Then we can see, go back. In here, we start again. Okay, in here, control export classes. You open this one. Yeah, look, your trial license will expire in 30 days. So you can continue use this software in 30 days. Okay, that's simple. The keyword just if you install the software is try, but you don't open. Okay, just install. After that, close. Oh, sorry. After that, close. Then go to your use is name is VirtualBox is this VirtualBox VM. Then copy this one. Copy this one, keep in the saved area. Okay. After that, 30 days expire, you can replace this one. That's it. It's a keyword. Just if you want to do one software, you just install. Don't open the software. Okay, so that's simple, but it's for testing. It's very useful. But if you want, you can't do this job in your exact connection. PLC in the plan. Okay, thank you very much.